Hello, beautiful people. How are you doing today? Hope you all are in best of your health and fantabulous as always, and as I always want you to be. Today in School for Elders, I have a very inspiring and beautiful story of Somik Das. You know who is Somik Das? Somik Das is a businessman whose love for bonsais has turned him into a businessman of turned him into a nursery owner, and he is doing business, and at the age of 52 he is still looking for expansions. And when he was at a very young age when he has seen bonsai and he wanted to touch these plants. The gardener has asked him not to touch the plants because they are very expensive, so he just thought of that what is so expensive, and then he just have started reading books on bonsai, and he just wanted to do something in terms of bonsai. So he had certain ideas in his mind. He said an expensive bouquet also would cost 1,000 to 1,500, right? So why not? And that too, it will get spoiled after some time. And why not to give something, some life-changing thing, which will be looking beautiful. And he has done so much of research, and he has created bonsais for gifting purposes also, and they are really very beautiful. And now he said that we have created certain bonsais that which are costing from 800 to 2.5 lakh, and his turnover is almost 50 lakh per year, and he's looking for expansions also all over the country. Also, I just wanted to tell you about bonsai plant, which means tree in a pot. You can actually keep a tree in your house in a pot, and there are small bonsais, big bonsais, and very beautiful bonsais which he has created. And there are other plants also which he was interested in, and he has started with hibiscus variety of plants. There are many varieties in hibiscus and many other. And then now he is taking classes, and he has his channel on Instagram and everything he has. And he is teaching also how to create a bonsai. And he said that a bonsai can survive from 200 to 400 years if we take proper care. And it is not very it doesn't need much attention and care. We just need to do certain things for it, and we can actually leave the legacy of ours for bonsai if we are creating a bonsai. So that is the part of a story, and we should get inspired that at 52 also he's looking for expansions, and he's looking for his business to be spread across the globe. And you should also do something, and you can also do anything at any age. And he has started his channel last year only, when he was 51. And on Instagram he has started his page where he is teaching everyone. So today again we will discuss in Wellness Mantra, we will discuss, as Guru Gobind Singh Ji's Guru Purab is there, so we will discuss last two qualities of falcon. So seventh quality is falcon is a very industrious bird. Industrious means they believe in hard working. And even Sikh community, Guruji has said, even if you have done seva in langar, that doesn't mean you should be eating langar after that. You should do service as in you should do work, proper hard work. You should earn your living, and then you can sit in langar. There is proper story also on this. Then there is nobility. Nobility means, if you have seen falcon flying the sky, it owns the sky. So there are so many symbols of Sikhism which shows royalty. They wear turbans. Even a female should be wearing a turban, because that's a crown on the head, that you should always wear your crown. So nobility, you should be noble, stay royal as in own the world, but stay humble. And you should be you should be thoughtful in every situation. So these are few qualities which a falcon is having, and we should learn and we should adapt from his life, so our life will be beautiful and changed. So that's the wellness mantra. So we'll repeat the qualities of falcon. We'll just revise. First is self-reliance, right? We should be independent irrespective of the situation. Then we should have freedom to think, freedom to go anywhere. Then we should be humble, humility. No matter how high you fly high. However, stay humble and stay focused also towards your target and goal, whatever you have decided. Then detachment. Detachment, never get attached that they are my son, they are my this. just free yourself from all the chains, and you should be detached also from all these worldly affairs. You should be having soul to soul connection, soul love. Then resilience, fly opposite the sky. So that's the fifth quality. Then we have courage. Courage, I mean, in Sikhism, people are known for the courage. Sawa lakh se ek ladaun tabe Gobind Singh naam kahaun, right? So then industrious, we have discussed today, and nobility. So these are the 8 qualities of falcon which we should adapt in our life, and our life will be changed one. So I hope this video will make certain changes, and please share this story someone who really needs it, and share with everyone this wellness mantra, because this is the way to live your life. If we adopt one quality out of all these, I'm sure your life will be blessed and beautiful. So on that note, thank you so much for showing so much of love, gratitude always. Bye bye, take care.